Alright, this is a video for my stock drop controller keyboard. Absolutely everything is stock, switch is Halo Trues. I do not know if they're lubed. I'm gonna assume they're unlubed. No band-aid modification, no tune stabilizers, absolutely nothing, no foam in the case plate. So yeah, this video is being taken to compare it to when I fully customized my keyboard. Let's just start. Yeah, some problems with my stock controller keyboard. Just annoying amounts of pinging. Backspace just feels so muffled. Spacebar ugly sounding. Um, I uh, I have to. I sub. I guess I subconsciously slam the switches, cause I want a more like just like a more like clacky sound. Again, these are tactiles, they're not meant to be like that, but I want tactiles that sound better, so hopefully it changes with the Holy Pandas.